Hey beauties, welcome back to Comfort Makeupbeauty. If you're new here, hi, I'm Sarah. Welcome to Comfort Makeupbeauty. Before I get to the video, make sure to click the subscribe button and click the bell notification so you won't miss any videos. We will be posting dailies, but for me, I'll be posting every Mondays, Thursdays, and Sundays. So let's get into the video.
Ice cream, chillin', chillin', ice cream, chillin', ice cream, chillin', chillin', ice cream.
So yesterday I went to my mail and I saw my box in the mail, so I'm gonna be unboxing my Influenster. So this time it's like a medium, like I think a medium. This is a medium. The last one it was a small one. So here is my Influencer box. So I'm so excited to open this, and yeah. If you guys would like to know how to get a free box, comment down below so I can show you guys how to get a box. Your first box for 100% free. So yeah.
Fact check 눈높인 꼭대기 물 만난 물고기 좀 톡해 난 toxic 유혹해 I'm foxy 두 번 생각해
So there's OxyClean, the cards. It shows you what it comes. The OxyClean. Okay, I got like OxyClean for cleaning clothes. So this one is the OxyClean Pro OxyClean with odor buster, versatile stain and odor remover to work on all of your stinky, smelly laundry. Okay. So this removes dog stains, attacks dog odors after torn, deep cleaning, pressure laundry. So this is the other OxyClean Dark Protect Laundry Booster helps keep clothes looking newer, longer, wash after wash. Oh, so this is like for black clothes. Okay, I have so many black clothes. And the next one is it showed me all the ones that came in the box. Came with the OxyClean, the other OxyClean. So there's the Lancome Idol and the Parfum. There's the Sanja Woman Organic Multi, the OxyClean Odor Buster, Versatile Stain and Odor Remover. And the last one is OxyClean Dark Cotton Laundry Booster. Okay, so I have to post that, so you'll see it in my Instagram. If you guys would like to follow me on my Instagram, it will be down the description and my all the social media. So this is what it comes with. I'm gonna organize this because it came like kind of It came with this, with the Idol perfume, with the little mini perfume.
느껴지는 거야 어차피 떠나면 상처 조성인 채로 미워하게 될걸 끝장을 보기 전 끝낼 순 없어 이 아픔을
All what I got from Influenster. So thank you so much Influenster for this free products that you sent me. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys really enjoyed this video, give me a big thumbs up and subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. Click the bell notification so you don't miss any videos we post dailies. And with me, I post every Mondays, Thursdays, and Sundays. And yeah, also don't forget to go check out my website where I sell makeup and beauty and fashion. So yeah, next month stay tuned. There'll be more new beauty and fashion coming up soon. More makeup. Yeah. Also, if you guys would like to follow me on my social media, don't be afraid to go check it out. Everything will be down in the description. Yeah. Thank you. Bye.